Hey guys, welcome back to yet another very helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use ClickUp AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your ClickUp AI, you just simply have to open this ClickUp application at first, and after opening this application, you will see this Ask AI option into here. Just simply tap into that Ask AI option in order to use the AI feature. Now from here you can ask anything by writing the message to AI. Just simply write down anything into this bar and then click to send button. Then after that, AI will answer your concerns and questions. By following these very easy methods, you can easily use ClickUp AI into ClickUp application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.